So today I'm coming to you with day 14 of the 25 Days of Lipstick Challenge. This is past Mary, filming for future Mary. So, filming on my birthday, which is December 2nd, but filming ahead, like I do. Even though I have an advent calendar full of full days, I sneaked ahead. Oops.
Cheater.
What?
Cheater.
Anyway, I could not pass up cheating today, cheating for 14, because I knew I would be getting some good freebies for my birthday. I'll talk all about that in the past on the 8th of what I've got. But future Mary, past Mary, future Mary, bleh. Anyway, I'm sure everybody's heard of crumble cookie. Taste test buddy is shaking her head no.
Not until today.
But all my other YouTubers that I follow know about crumble. And I decided to sign up for their free birthday, their app and all that, to get a freebie cookie for my birthday. And I chose the Andes, whatever the Andes one was today. It is huge. I'm afraid it'll fall out, but whoop, stop that. There's the cookie itself. It is huge. I can't believe it, how big they are. Anyway, it's big. I don't have the cutter because I wasn't about to spend $5 extra, so I'm just going to break off some. Oh, it's huge. Ugh. It's crumbly. And I'm going to let her have the first taste.
Ooh.
It's dense too. I've heard it's dense. Very crumbly. She's an Andes mint fan.
Yeah, but I'm waiting for the mint to kick in.
What's going on? Not very minty.
What's the trouble?
The Andes part is in the frosting. It's supposed to be in the frosting. It's
Kind of a delayed mint flavor.
yeah.
It's a chewy cookie though. It's
yeah.
not a dry cookie.
Yeah. Very, very cakey. Crumbly, cakey. It's good though.
Yep.
I'll be looking forward till next year's, my next birthday freebie though, for try a different one. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention, did I forget to mention what color I was wearing today?
Yeah, you didn't mention it.
I did mention it.
No, you did not mention it.
Okay, I said it was the 14th. I am wearing the Ioni Miss Hyde liquid lipstick, which is a foresty green mint, or foresty green metallic matte. I picked it up during October. This is from their October line of